Okay, so today we're going to be making the Hexafish bracelet. First, we're going to start by preparing our loom. So we're going to look at the front and locate our red arrow. And we're going to take out this middle row here. So we're going to flip it over and do all that stuff. And then just pull it out. Took it out. Now put our little square back in. Now we're going to be looking at the arrows. So they're pointing towards you. So they're facing south. And now we're going to start putting our rubber bands on. So we're going to start by putting down our rubber bands. The first area to put our rubber bands is going to be going from here to here. We're going to be using 6 pegs. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, because hexa means 6. And then our next rubber band goes from here to here. And our next one goes from here to here. Then here to here. And here, and then our last rubber band will be located right across like that. Now what we're going to do is take our hook and just push the rubber bands down all the way. Next, we're going to choose our second color. You can do rainbow on it. You can really do basically any color you want. I'm going to be doing this color, this neon pink. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it all over the entire loom, like that. Now what I'm going to do is push down again. Now I'm going to take my third color, or third color of your rainbow. In this case, you can honestly do any color you want. You can do every single one a different color if you had that many rubber bands. My next color is going to be this turquoise color. I'm going to put it all around the whole little square here. Now let's get to the hooking part. So once we get here, we're ready for the hooking. This part's kind of tricky. It takes a little bit of practice, but what we're going to do is we're going to take both of the green rubber bands here and just pull them over. You got to be really gentle and make sure you don't give any slips. You're going to do the same thing here. Grab both of the green rubber bands and pull over. Grab both of the green rubber bands here and pull over. And you're going to twist it to the other side. And once you're here, you're going to have to get in there a little bit and pull it over. And then take it in the middle and pull both over. And then lastly here at the side, pull over. So it should look like this in the middle. When our loom looks like this, what we're going to do now is we have 2 rubber bands here now with the green on top of them. We have our pink on the bottom and our turquoise on top. We're going to take our purple now and put it all over the whole loom, like that. Now we're going to flip it over and we're going to start hooking. So here I'm going to take my bottom color, pink, and put it over. Here, once again, I'm going to take my bottom pink and pull it over. Here again, take my bottom pink and pull it over. Then flip to the other side. Take my bottom pink, pull it over. A little tricky to get past here, but get your bottom pink and pull it over. And then lastly here, get our, really tricky to get this bottom pink and pull it over. Then you're just going to push down everything. It should look like this now. We're going to take our next color now and put it over. And we're going to do the same exact thing, except this time our bottom color is turquoise. So take turquoise, pull it over. Take turquoise, pull it over. Take turquoise, pull it over. Flip. Take turquoise, pull over. Take turquoise, pull over. And turquoise, and pull over. I now put on my next color, which is this turquoise. And we're going to do our hooking again. I'm going to show this to you guys one last time. So I'm going to take my purple at the bottom, pull it over, so it looks like that. My purple at the bottom, pull it over, should be getting a little tight. And my purple at the bottom, pull it over, then flip to the other side. And you're going to do the purple, pull it over, get the purple, pull it over, and get the purple, pull it over. It'll start kind of looking like this, and eventually it'll start tunneling in all like that all the way to the end. And eventually you'll be getting a little stick hanging out that looks like this, except mine have different colors. And you're just going to do that all the way to the end. Since this is so long, I won't be showing you guys the whole thing. But once you're getting to the end, so let's say if this was going to be my end, I'm not going to put on an extra third rubber band. I'm just going to keep these two. Then what I'm going to do is take my bottom color, which is pink, and I would just take it and pull it over. And you do that until you had all turquoises just left at the bottoms. And you would just do that. And then at the end, you just take another rubber band and connect that rubber band, connect all the turquoises together. And then you just C-clip it to the other end, and that's it. You also want to make sure that once you're done, your bracelet will be really there will be a lot of spaces in between, like here, for example, in between these creases. What you do to get rid of the spaces is you pull tight really hard, and then it'll smooth out and clump together like this. So you want to make sure that you're pulling that. You'll notice that as you make it. So that's it. Leave me comments or anything if you guys need to see extra stuff. Thanks.